At the end of the today's discussion, you will come to know how to answer the question based on rate of change of quantity. Now, the meaning of this type of problem is nothing but if there is a changes in one of the component, then definitely there will be the impact of that on the other one. So you can note down one question. Write down the radius of the circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. So what you have written, the radius of the circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the meaning of that? The rate of change of radius with respect to what time? dr by dt. How I am talking about that? dr by dt, rate of change of radius with respect to time. Then there are two questions possible. One can ask you what is the rate of change of their circumference. That is one. One can ask you what is the rate of change of their area. What is exactly meaning of that? Suppose you throw a pebble in the water, still water, the ripples will come. So the circle which is going to form, that this circle is the first circle, then it will be second circle. Its meaning, if you wait for 1 second, then the radius of the circle is increases 0.7. So every time this new circle is going to form, this new circle circumference will also change and the area covered by that circle also will be changing. So what will be the impact of that? This kind. How do you answer this question? There are two things. One thing will be given to you and one thing which will be asked you. Now you should connect R with C. Circumference is nothing but 2 pi r. Now we should try to differentiate with t. dc by dt will be equal to 2 pi and over here dr by dt. As dr by dt is known to you, so you can get dc by dt will be equal to 2 pi over here 0.7, and if you work out 1.4 pi, it will be centimeter per second. This is a way of answering. At the same time, suppose someone is asking about what is dA by dt, so you should the relation A is equal to pi r square. A will be equal to pi r square. So dA by dt, I am differentiating with respect to t. So it will have first 2 pi r and this is nothing but dr by dt. So if you ask me what is dA by dt rate of change up, it will be 2 pi as it is, r will be keeping as r and 0.7. I just simplify this, it will be 1.4 pi r. Now this question can be asked at a particular instant. What is the meaning of particular instant? If the radius changes, radius will be 1, then answer will be 1.4 pi. If radius will be 2, it will be 2.8 pi and so on. This impact is not there in the dc by dt. dc by dt is always fixed and it will be, answer will be 1 point. It is independent of the radius, rate of change of the ripples which is going to form, but area cover will be different. But whenever you are answering, you should answer this is nothing but centimeter square per second. So this is a way to answer this type of question. So now also I am going to read a few questions. You can note down the questions in your notebook and I am going to point out the few of the points from that. Okay, let us move ahead with the second question. An age of variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. An age of variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Suppose age I am defining by a, then it will be nothing but dA by dt, rate of change of increasing it is nothing but 3 centimeter per second. What does it mean? If you wait for a second, then this side will increase. A is increasing, automatically all side will be increasing and there will be the impact, you will be getting the new cube. Find the rate at which how fast. Next question. The question, this is given. Huh? Now what is asked? How fast the volume of the cube increases. How fast volume of the cube increases when the side of the cube is 10 centimeter long. Then side of the cube is 10 centimeter long. This was missing in the previous question. Now here it is, A is provided to you. Now how do you get? First you should connect this. So the volume of the cube is nothing but A cube. Now differentiating with respect to t, dv by dt is equal to 3a square dA by dt. So what I will do, dv by dt, I just try to find out. 3 will be 3, over here 10, it will be square. Okay, now dA by dt is nothing but 3, it will be 100, and you will be getting 900. Now it is a volume, so it will be centimeter cube per second. Centimeter cube per second. So this is a way of answering the question. Something is given, something will be demanded with respect to time, and then you are answering that type of question. I am going to explain 3-4 questions, and then you can start solving the assignment. Note down the next question. The volume of the cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. The volume of the cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. This is given. How fast is the surface area is increasing? How fast is the surface area is increasing? When the age is given as 12 centimeter. When age is given as 12 centimeter. How you can answer this question? Now there is no direct connection between the volume and the surface area. But the volume can be talked in terms of the age. Surface area also can be talked in terms of the age. So in such case, we'll try to find out whatever it is the mediocre is there. Okay. So volume. Let us suppose that age I will consider AC. So volume will be equal to A cube. Now I will find out dV by dt. It will be 3 A square over here dA by dt. So what are the informations are known, that will try to replace. dV by dt is known to you. I will write 8. Here it will be 3. Age will be given as at 12 the whole square, and it is nothing but dA by dt. Volume, rate of change of volume is given. Therefore dA by dt will be equal to 8 upon this 3, over here 12, over here it is 12. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 2 1s are 2 6 are. So it will be 1 divided by 3 3 are 9, 54. This is nothing but a rate of change of, what I should write, it is centimeter per second. Centimeter per second. Now area is known to you. Rate of change of side is known to you, or age is known to you. Now they are asking about rate of change of surface area. Surface area will be equal to 6A square. Now ds by dt is demanded. It will be 12A over here dA by dt. Now this 12 will be 12. A is given as again 12, and dA by dt is given as 1 by 54. 1 by 54. If you simplify, you will get, but the answer will be centimeter square per second. So 6 2s are 6 over here it is 6 over here it is 2 4 centimeter per square, 4 centimeters per square. Here it is 9 will come, no? 8 by 3. 8 by 3. 8 by 3. Okay. Next question. Note down the question first, and then we'll write down. A balloon which is always remain spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. So rate of change of volume is given is nothing but 900 centimeter cube per second. So note down this statement one more time. A balloon which is always remains spherical on inflation. A balloon which always remain spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. So that we have noted down. Find the rate. Suppose you are pumping any balloon, then the obviously radius of that will increase. So the question demanding find the rate at which the radius of the balloon is increases when radius is given as 15. When radius is given as 15. So there should be the volume relationship between the sphere. So volume is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now I will find out dV by dt. dV by dt is equal to 4 by 3 as it is, pi as it is. It will be 3 r square over here dr by dt. So now what you are supposed to do? You just replace the value of dV by dt. What is dV by dt? Is 900. Pi value you can keep as pi only, or the value of r you can put as 15 and try to find out what is the value of dr by dt you are getting. What is the value of dr by dt you are getting? Over. So you are getting 1 by pi. Now it is radius, centimeter per second. Centimeter per second. Two more question I will discuss, and then you can complete your assignment. The one question is, a ladder 5 meter long is leaning against the wall. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against the wall. So if it is asked, this is given, 5 meter long is leaning against the wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground. This is the bottom, which is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. Do you know, suppose this is a ladder, it is leaning like this, also you are pulling here, so definitely this top will come down. So demand of the question is also like that. How fast the height on the wall is decreasing when the foot is 4 meter away from the wall. So I just consider this part as x, this part as y. Okay, and the question is asked about this pulling is given. That means what? Dx by dt is given. Pulling is nothing but 2 centimeter per second. Now, how fast it is coming down? So the question is asked about dy by dt will be equal to what? But they are asking dy by dt whenever x is equal to 4 meter. Now in this question one should take a precaution that rate of pulling is given in centimeter, but the length of the ladder is given in meter. So whenever you are writing, you should convert in 1. So you know that you can apply the Pythagoras relation, x square plus y square is equal to, this is 500 the whole square. That is the first step to be. Now differentiation, 2x dx by dt, we are differentiating with t, 2y dy by dt will be equal to 0. Now you are knowing the values. Dx by dt is given as 2, so replace here, it is 2. X is given 4, shall we replace 4? No, it will be 400. It will be 2, this is 2 again. Y is unknown, but whenever x is equal to 4, you know that y value will be nothing but 3, so it will be 3 and you will get dy by dt. Just simplify and try to find out the dy by dt. Over, getting minus 8 by 3. Now which unit you will write? Centimeter. Centimeter. What is the meaning of this negative? It is decrease in the height. Decrease in the height. So negative means decrease in the height. Remember that also. So you should write the height is decreasing at the rate 8 by 3. Don't write minus 8 by 3. Otherwise negative and negative it will have the another impact. This negative sign indicates that. Okay. So a last question will do and then we'll write the question. A balloon which is always remains spherical. It's a question regarding sphere. Has a variable diameter. The diameter is varies as like this. Variable diameter 3 by 2, 2x plus 1. Find the rate of a change of volume with respect to x. Find the rate of change of volume with respect to x. This is nothing but dx by dt. Rate of change of volume dv by dx with respect to x is asked. So what is the volume? Volume will be nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is nothing but the diameter is given. So what I should do? Diameter 4 by 3 pi I will write as it is. Diameter by 2 is nothing but radius 3 by 2. Over here 2x plus 1 the whole square. 2x plus 1 the whole square. You can simplify. This is the volume expression you will get, and just get dv by dx that will be nothing but, this is a question which is not respect to the time. The demand of the question, how fast the volume increasing with respect to radius. So this is a simple, this calculation you can do, and with this question we will conclude. So remaining question you can try and complete the assignment. This is nothing but rate of change of quantity.